All right, well, I guess you'd be wondering why I brought everyone up here. And, I have this screenshot. I made this screenshot at one point, and I kept looking at it, and I have it up on my background, and I noticed that LA is written right here. Okay, LA. And LA is written right here. And this is a rabbit's head right here. There's an A right here too. But this is a rabbit's head. There's his nose, here's his eye, here's his face, right? Am I seeing things? Tell me if I'm seeing things. This almost is like an LA here. I came up here because I wanted to look at how many more LAs were up here. I have, look, there, LA. I have, this is my shot, like right here on my computer. But I wanted to see, but that's definitely LA, LA. Kind of like an A there. I've been, this is it, this is just Pilgrim. It's custom. Oh, look, L. Yeah, there it is. L A. Right? I'm not seeing that. Seeing things, right? L A, maybe even A right there. L A L. Yeah, this is cool. I've been wanting to come up here. I keep looking at my background and going, I need to go up there and look and see what that looks like. If there's more. Oh, there's a big A right there, right? Oh, there we go. L A right there. Yeah, L's right there. There's an A right there, looks like. And that's a rabbit's head right there. All right, well, since we're up here, I just wanted to do that cuz I thought that was so cool that I guess whoever did these falls maybe that their initials are LA. That's what I take it as. There's the moose over there. But I'm on Pilgrim. There's a wolf over here too. But I was gonna say I'm on Pilgrim, but I would have had to do what I just did to survive these 3 nights up here. You had to be careful. The recovery is so good, and but no doubt we had some blizzards up here. I've had 2 blizzards already, and you got to sleep in caves. And these clothes, I found this, and I found these. I had the running shoes, and I found this. So all I had was this and this and this, and running shoes, and I found these socks too. So, it was cold, but I didn't actually see the signal fire. Oh, we have 2 moose. No, I didn't see this. Am I? Would I be seeing things? Is it not there? So I figured I'd walk over there to where the signal fire is supposed to be, if nothing else. Since I climbed up here, something I haven't actually done, gone to the signal fire. I wasn't sure where that falls was. I was, I couldn't remember. So I knew there were a bunch of falls up here, so I just decided to climb up here to take a look and see if this was where the rabbit head was, and this is where the rabbit head was. So I've looked at it enough to where It was obviously intentional. I mean, somebody made it that way. I am not seeing things. Anyway, I just had to get all. I was exhausted coming up here, and because it's two climbs from the bottom, so I have no coffee or anything. I haven't gone anywhere else. But since it's daylight and I'm walking past these, I don't know. I probably won't play this, but I did want to. I just wanted to see where those. I wasn't gonna come up here, except on Pilgrim, because I wasn't gonna struggle to do it. I think I still have to go across over there to where those. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Pretty sure it's right here. So let's take a look. I should get the moose hide satchel though, right? Well, thank God I can actually use the hatchet. Wouldn't that be something? No, you can't use the hatchet. Sorry. And then I would have to sleep 4 hours. No. This is not. No, really? Or does this take me to where it is? Hmm. I have not seen the signal fire since I was up here, so this looks like a way down from. No. I don't remember coming up behind a fall. Interesting. Just to double check before I go commit myself to that. But I know I had to cut through brambles to get to it. However, yeah, I think this is a dead end over here, so that is the only way. Well, let's go see. Unless it's across. I'm too far over. That could be. I think this may be an alternate spot. And I have to go back. Let's take a look anyway. Can I get up here? Probably not. Looks a bit steep. No. Okay, so let me go around this. Now I can't remember. Well, So you get harsh. No. That's back to the rope climb. So then I take it. All right. Uh-oh. He's freezing. He's freezing and he can't get up on this log. Alright, well, let me go down this ways and just see where this ends up going. Since I don't know, I may have to go up further. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is silly, but I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. I was just going to come up here and do it. Obviously. Now, was it over here and down? I don't know. Let's see. We don't need the sapling. I just want to see. Let's see if I can see it. No, this isn't it. All right. Let's freeze to death. Well, if this is it, this is good to know because I had forgotten that you had to go down the climb and all that. Kill some more condition, but I don't see a signal fire. So, it could be that it's just not here. Because from where I came in, well, I guess I could have seen it if I would have looked up. But this is where it would be, right? Okay. Wow. So there's one across there. Again, there was one here. Definitely one across there. All the way. Well, I came to look at the waterfall, so that's what I came for. That's what I got. That was the main thing, right? But I can't believe it's not here. This is a very remote area. And to come all the way up here to get a few sticks is a bit, you know, that's a bit much, right? Is there no signal fire on this side at all? I mean, I got the flare and the flare shells and the flare gun and a few other things up there, but nothing really worth my while. I'm not going to play Pilgrim, but that's kind of strange. There's just one, and this is Pilgrim. And that's it, and there's not one here. Huh. That is odd. Anyway, that was it. Wonder if LA's written all over the place up here somewhere. That was it. I just wanted to show you that. So, never mind then. Forget it. Thought I would come up here and find a moose-hide satchel, but not so. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the waterfall cave. I mean the waterfall little anomalies, I'll call them, or more like intentional signatures. Thought it was fun. Thanks for watching.